All right, y'all. We got a product spotlight here. Renegade EzRed sprayable metal polish. So these things have not been polished yet. They're about a couple months old. They're not too bad, but there is some little haze to them. So we're gonna show you how to operate this. One, we're gonna apply some of this to this microfiber. And then what they want you to do is we're just gonna work this in. Just gonna do this little area right here. See if we could see any good results. I might go a little more. Let's see. Rub it in until you see that haze, and then rub her off. Like that. All right, she's been marinating for about 30 seconds, and then they want you to use a clean microfiber. Wax on, wax off, y'all. We all know how this works. So there we go. Not too bad. A little hazier. Not too shabby. Go ahead and get you some Renegade products.